In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft 365 email to Outlook step by step. GoDaddy. If your business email is hosted on Microsoft 365 through your domain provider, connecting it to the Outlook desktop app is quick and straightforward. I'll guide you through what you'll see on screen and share a few tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. In the top left corner, choose File, then select Add Account. This opens the account setup window where we'll connect your mailbox. If you're using Outlook on a Mac, you'll find the option under Outlook in the menu bar, then Settings, Accounts, and Add Email Account. The goal is the same. We're telling Outlook to add a new Microsoft 365 mailbox. When prompted, type your full email address exactly as it was provided to you, including your domain, and select Connect. Outlook will try to detect the correct service automatically. For Microsoft 365, it uses modern authentication, so you won't need to enter server names or ports. If you see a choice of account types, select work or school account. This is important because Microsoft 365 business mailboxes are managed under organizational accounts, not personal ones. Choosing the correct option ensures Outlook applies the right security and sync settings. Next, enter your password and sign in. This is the same password you use to access your Microsoft 365 mailbox online. You'll likely see a Microsoft sign-in window. Make sure the email shown is the one you're adding, then complete the sign-in. If multi-factor authentication is enabled on your account, follow the prompts now. You might be asked to approve a notification in your Authenticator app, enter a code, or verify another method your organization supports. Complete that approval to confirm it's really you and to finish secure sign-in. Once authentication succeeds, select Done to finish. Outlook will begin syncing your mailbox right away. Your new inbox will appear in the folder list, and messages, folders, calendar items, and contacts will populate as they download. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if your mailbox is large, so give it a moment. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. You shouldn't need any manual server settings. Microsoft 365 accounts configure automatically. If you're prompted to choose the new mailbox for sending, pick it and continue. And if you don't see new mail immediately, leave Outlook open to complete the initial sync. That's it. Your Microsoft 365 email is now added to Outlook and ready to use.